Combining like terms. Today we're going to talk about combining like terms. We're going to be using different properties, so let's review those properties we'll be using. The first property we'll be using is the commutative property. You can have the commutative property works for multiplication and it works for addition. This example, I have 2 times 3 times 5. In using the commutative property, I rewrote the terms as 5 times 2 times 3. So I changed the order. The associative property can be used for multiplication and addition. An associative property is we change the grouping. In the first example, I have 2 times 3 grouped together times 5. If I were to simplify that, I could say 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 is 30. By regrouping it, I now have 2 times and then 3 times 5 grouped together. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then multiplying that by 2 will also give me 30. The distributive property is when we take a number and we multiply it by an algebraic expression. So in this case, we have 2 times the quantity, x plus 4. So using the distributive property, I multiply each term inside the parentheses by the outside term. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. So let's combine like terms. First example, we have 11x plus 4x. We have 2 terms. They both have the variable x, so we can combine them. 11x plus 4x is 15x. Okay, problem 2, we have 4 terms. Again, each of these terms has the same variable of x, so we can combine all of them together. So we're going to add 1x plus 2x plus 3x minus 4x, and that will give us 2x. Number 3, we have 3 terms with 2 different variables. One of the variables is w squared. The other variable is y. So one term with w squared, we can't combine that with anything, so we're just going to write 2w squared. But we can combine minus 3y and 5y because they are like terms. So that would be plus 2y. Number 4, we have 4 terms, 6x plus 5y minus 2x plus 4. So we have 2 terms with a variable x, 1 term with a variable y, and 1 term which is just a number which we call a constant. So we're going to combine the x's together. 6x and 2x is 4x. Then we just have one term with a y, so we'll just write plus 5y, and we just have one constant of 4, so we'll write 4. So now we've taken those 4 terms, combined like terms, and made it into 3 terms. Number 5, we have 2 times the quantity x plus 3y plus 4x. So we're going to use the distributive property. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3y is 6y plus 4x. So now we have 3 terms. 2 of the terms have the same variable, so we can combine them. 2x and 4x is 6x. Oops. And a 6y. In the last one, we have 4 times the quantity, 2x plus 3y, plus 2 times the quantity, x plus 3y. So we get to use the distributive property twice. So we have 4 times 2x is 8x, plus 4 times 3y is 12y, plus 2x plus 6y. So now we have 4 terms, 2 variables, so we're going to combine the x's. 8x and 2x is 10x, And 12y and 6y is 18y. So that's how you combine like terms, using the commutative, associative, and distributive property.